What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I have a couple cases here from a company called Thinborne. Now this is for the Pixel 9 Pro XL and also the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. Now that is a mouthful. Now Thinborne sells some great cases. If you guys want to pick this up, there's some links down in the description so you can pick these up. But I am awaiting for the release of the Pixel 9 series, so I'm super excited to see. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Now, this bad boy here looks fierce. Now, this comes with that MagSafe, and you get full coverage on all four sides. This is a nice case. That says 600D Aramid fiber, and you get that MagSafe capability. Now these also come with a screen protector, so you get pretty good coverage on these, so you can protect your device. And then on here you're gonna get the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. Okay, now this is a little slimmer because obviously the device has to open, but you also get the MagSafe on deck, and you get some for that big camera for the Pixel Fold for the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. Oh god, that's a mouthful. And you also get some adhesive stickers. You do not get, I don't believe you get a screen protector, which is fine. And then you get the front cover display. So those look like they could be winners as far as the quality on these. So go ahead and hit that link down in the description so you guys can pick this up. I wanted to do a quick video on it. I cannot wait to get the Pixel devices so I can try these Thinborne cases out. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you're ordering the Pixel 9, the Pixel 9 Pro, the Pixel 9 Pro XL, or the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. Right? Is that what it's called? Alright, I'm gonna get out of here, man. I'm Android Stud. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate you guys. Peace.